Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to upload a premium theme to your Shopify store. So first, go to the Shopify website and log in with your account. Once you log in, you will see your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you can manage everything related to your store like products, theme, orders and many things more. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see your account name there. When you click on it, Shopify shows a list of all the stores connected to your account. For example, if you manage multiple Shopify stores, all of them will appear in this list. Simply select the store that you want to work on. Once you do that, Shopify will open the admin dashboard for that specific store, and now we will continue from there. Alright, now once you are inside your Shopify dashboard, look at the left hand side menu. Here you will see the several options like home, orders, product, customers and more things. But since we want to upload a theme, we will go to the sections called Sale Channels. Click on Sale Channels. Under that, you will find the option of Online Store, and in their sub-menu, there is a Theme option. Click on the theme. Now on this page, you will see your current live theme at the top. This is the default theme that Shopify automatically adds when you create your store. If you scroll down a little, you can also see other available themes that you might have added before or you want to add them in future. Now let's check how to upload the premium theme manually from here. So move to the top right corner. You will find an option that says Import Theme. Click on it and a drop down will appear. From there, select Upload Zip File. So this is where you can upload your theme file. But before uploading, there is something very important to remember. When you download your theme from a marketplace or a developer, it usually comes as a compressed zip file that contains other folders like documentation and licenses. So first, right click on the downloadable zip file on your computer and click Extract. After a few seconds, it will create a new folder with all files inside. Now open the extracted folder carefully. You might see several folders inside. But what you need is the main theme zip file, usually named like theme name.zip. Let me show you what happens if you upload the wrong file. So here you can see, if I upload the main download zip file directly, Shopify gives me an error saying file must be less than 50 MB. So that's why extracting the file is very important, so you can find the correct and smaller theme file to upload. So we will select the folder which we extracted and open it. And open this folder again, and we can find the exact theme file. So here you can see, I will select this file. After a few minutes, Shopify will finish uploading your premium theme. Now your theme will appear in the theme library section. From here you can click preview to see how it looks or publish to make it live on your website. Once it's published, open your store front page and you will see that your premium theme is successfully applied. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.